In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom views in Excel. Custom views let you save different ways of looking at the same worksheet. Things like which rows are hidden, which filters are on, your zoom level, and even page setup for printing, so you can switch between them in a click instead of constantly reformatting. Before you start, set up the worksheet the way you want this particular view to look. Apply any filters, hide or unhide columns, adjust the zoom, and arrange the window just how you like it. Next, head to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of Excel. This tab controls how your sheet appears on screen, and it's where Custom Views lives. In the Workbook Views group, select Custom Views. If you don't see it or it's grayed out, Excel may be disabling it because the workbook contains an Excel table or certain features like shared workbooks or protected sheets. If that's the case, consider converting a table to a normal range or temporarily turning off those features, then come back here. The Custom Views window will open, showing any views you've already saved for this sheet. To capture the layout you just prepared, click Add. That opens the Add View dialog. Here you'll give your view a name and choose what to include. Clear, descriptive names help a lot. Think something like filtered by region, print ready, rather than something generic. Below the name box, you'll see options to include print settings and to include hidden rows, columns, and filter settings. Leave them checked if you want this view to remember how you set up printing and which rows or columns are visible. If you only care about things like window size and zoom, you can uncheck those options. Type the name you want, confirm the options that apply to your scenario, and then click OK. Excel saves the view immediately, and you'll now see it listed in the Custom Views window. That's it. The view is stored with the workbook, so you won't have to redo those filters and formatting next time. As you create more views, keep names consistent and specific so you can recognize them at a glance. And if you update the sheet and want the view to reflect new layout choices, just create a new one with a revised name. Custom views are a simple way to streamline your workflow and keep your workbook flexible without duplicating sheets.